Hi guys, so today I want to talk to you a little bit about Filmic Pro and how to take out some of those extreme highlights and lowlights from your video using the add-on media you can buy. So up here I've selected the zebra tool so that we can see red stripes for highlights and blue stripes for lowlights. If you come to the bottom left, we can move the shadows and highlights. There's a couple of presets up here that you can choose, and you can see up here I have red lines on the cup. So I'm just going to take this and move the highlight down a little bit, and now we no longer have that extreme glare. You can also move your shadows tools up and down here at the bottom. And if you want to have like this setting, but that shadow's too dark, you can always move it up down here. This middle one helps your average of light. So you can see I can move it up and down without it actually creating any red or blue zebra lines. So moving down, we also can adjust the coloring. So if I take off the zebra tool, I can turn up the saturation of the color of my videos and turn it down if I want a more mysterious feel to it. I can also turn up and down the vibrance. And if I want to take out just a specific color, it allows me to take out the red, green, and blue that's up here. So if I grab the blue and turn it down, you can see my screen becomes more yellow, more green, and more red. Also in the upper left hand corner you'll see this little recycle icon. If I go through and click that, then it will reset all of these settings that I have just done. So that works both for here and the one above. I hope that this tutorial helped you guys, and good luck with your future videos.